you lovely people out there. Do you want those long pretty nails as quick as possible? Do you ever feel like your nails aren't long enough and strong enough to pull off some of the pretty nail art that you're always seeing everywhere? All you need to do is give them some tender love and care. So here are some tips for you. Tip number 1. Garlic is an effective way to make your nails grow fast. Apply garlic paste to your nails twice a week or simply cut a garlic clove and rub it on your nails, and the juices will be absorbed by your nails, making it long and strong. Tip number 2. Moisturize your nails and hands with warm extra virgin olive oil daily at night before going to bed. Massage in circular motion to improve the blood circulation. Washing dishes can make your nails weak. Detergents can be harsh for your nails and affect its growth. To protect your fingers from harmful chemicals, always wear gloves. Tip number 4. Include a lot of protein-rich foods, including beans, fish, nuts, which help your nails grow longer and stronger. Tip number 5. I know nail polish always looks great, but I suggest that you avoid painting your nails with polish that contains some harmful chemicals which are unhealthy for your nails. Keep writing in because I love to hear from you guys.
If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being